Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create text files using command prompt full guide updated. For us to be able to begin, so as you can see, we're currently onto my desktop already and we have a notepad open. So if you don't want to type in here and you want to go ahead onto your command prompt to create these text files, then you're onto the right guide. So let's open command prompt first. And once you're in here, the first thing that we need to do is to choose in the file location wherein we want to save our text file. So for example, I just want to see it here onto my desktop. Then we'll type in here cd to type in for the location and then the location. Click on enter. And as you can see, our file location has been added already in here. To get started, type in the following line here. So feel free to pause the video to copy out this specific line. Click on enter. And then right after that, it should show something like this. It will ask you onto where to save the following text file. So we're just going to choose C again for that. Click on enter. And then right after, this is where you're going to type in what you want to see inside that text file. So we're going to type in there, echo. So this is like a function or a command wherein it will ask to type in this following command, this following text onto your text file. For example, hi guys. And then right after that, to add that, let's add a greater than sign and then type in the file name that you want to see. For example, note, then dot txt, and then click on enter. So they should go ahead and create that file. So let's check on my desktop in here since I'm using a dual monitor. So I have here already a note file that has been created. So if you want to open that, just simply double click onto it. Simply type in add type note.txt. So if you type this, it will show in here onto the command prompt the following text that is inside that specific notepad. So let's open this. And as you can see, we have here the one that we have created. Right after, if you want to add another line for that, the same thing that you'll do, just add an echo. Then let's type in welcome to our channel. Then for it to not overlap the other text that we have in here, which is this one, then we'll add two greater than signs in here, and then we're gonna add in the same text file name, which is note.txt. Click on enter, and if we open this, it should be added already onto the notepad here. So as you can see, we have two lines already, and if you want to delete specific notepad, so we're just gonna go ahead and simply type in here del, and then type in the file name, and then click on enter. So this should go ahead and delete in here the text note that we just recently created. And that is how easy to create text files using command prompt. If you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.